Hello. Welcome to our team and my team. Introduce your name. My name is Sarthik and my team name is Alpha Robotics. So our teacher had given us a project that with the help of register. What is the work of the register in this project? So one of my teammates will explain this. So in this project, as you can see, first in this LED bulb, we have connected one of them to the negative terminal of the power, and the positive terminal of the LED to the positive terminal of the power module. Now we can see that there is no resistor and the bulb flows right. Now in the other circuit where we can see in this one, the resistor is connected to power module and is connected to the positive terminal of the LED, and negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal over here. Now the LED glows red over here because the resistor has limited the flow of electric current in this. Thank you all for listening our explanation by Adi.
Hello.